Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a laptop. First, you will need to visit the official Roblox website using your preferred web browser. Roblox is a free-to-play platform, so there is no cost to download the main application. Once on the website, you can easily find the download link for the Roblox player. This application is essential for accessing and playing all the amazing games available. To ensure a great experience, your laptop should have at least a 1.6 GHz processor and 1 GB of RAM. You will also need about 20 megabytes of free disk space for the application itself. After downloading the installer, simply run the file and follow the on-screen prompts. The installation process is straightforward and usually takes only a few minutes to complete, getting you ready to play quickly. Once Roblox is installed, you will need to create a free account if you do not already have one. This involves choosing a username, setting a password, and entering your birth date. After logging in, you can explore the vast library of games. There are millions of experiences created by other players, covering every genre imaginable. Simply click on a game that interests you, and then hit the play button to jump right into the action. During gameplay, you will typically use your keyboard for movement, often with the W, A, S, D keys, and your mouse to control the camera and interact with the game world. If you experience any lag, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality. Also, closing other applications running in the background can free up valuable system resources, helping Roblox run more smoothly on your laptop.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.